Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the display language in Bing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Bing and then select the menu hamburger icon up at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go ahead and select Settings and then select More. Now on the left side, select Language. And then on the right side, you can select your display language from the list in here. So select the correct language you want to set it to. If you want to set to English, you can just select English. Otherwise, select one of the various languages in here like Spanish, Russian, Polish, Arabic, French, Japanese, Korean, and so forth. And that's pretty much it. You can also customize if you would rather have search results appear in a specific language. And if you selected I prefer results in these languages, you can select that option and then select a more tailored experience based on your preference. And once you're done, you would select save, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.